We're here at the most exciting stage, the installation, where all your planning and your designing all comes together. We're here with Aaron from Blinds Australia, who's going to give his best tips and tricks for those people that are DIYing their install of their blinds. All right, Aaron, what's the first thing DIYers should think about before starting their blinds?
The first thing to think about is your fixings. Choosing the right fixings is really straightforward. For gyprock, we use a simple hollow wall anchor. For timber, standard screws are all you need. For concrete or brick, grab a masonry drill bit and some wall plugs. So match your fixings to your surface and you're off to a strong start. Rebecca's marking her fixing points and checking everything with a level before drilling. Double checking your marks here saves you from a lot of costly mistakes later.
Okay, Aaron, so what happens when things aren't straightforward? Like if we've got a crooked wall or if we maybe misalign the bracket just a little bit?
Yeah, Rebecca, that is what worries a lot of people, but we've designed all of our products with a DIY installer in mind. So even on our face fixed curtain brackets, all the brackets are extendable if your walls are uneven. And then on roller blinds, if you misalign or mismeasure slightly, all the pins are extendable by up to 10 mil.
Perfect, love that.
My biggest tip for DIYers is just to take your time. So mark carefully, check your levels and measure twice.
And that's how it's done. With the right tools, fittings and fixtures, you too can install your curtains, blinds and shutters with confidence. So head over to the Blinds Australia website for all the tips and tricks that you'll need to install your curtains and blinds.